Thank you for watching this product demonstration entitled Unified Data Protection Across Endpoint and Cloud. In this video, we will see how McAfee's Unified Cloud Edge solution has converged multiple technologies into a comprehensive device-to-cloud data security solution. We'll start with Stacy, an administrator who's recently deployed Unified Cloud Edge for her organization. Stacy starts her day with the Cloud Security Advisor to see if she's getting the full value out of the solution. It looks like she's doing pretty well compared to other customers in her industry, but there are some recommendations. First, she's advised to use tenant restrictions to make sure users only log into accounts owned by the organization. She's also advised to block services known to be high risk and to enable activity controls for shadow apps. Stacy follows the link to make the recommended changes. She blocks high-risk services, but also enables coaching pages for unsanctioned cloud storage applications. Then she enables tenant restrictions for several sanctioned apps used by the organization, including Office 365. This will stop users from logging into accounts that are not owned by the organization. Finally, she enables granular activity controls for some shadow applications, like LinkedIn. Now we switch to Tony, who is an employee of Stacy's organization. Tony's received a LinkedIn message from Sarah, a former colleague, asking for an analysis spreadsheet related to a project they worked on. Tony, without giving much thought to the type of data and the document, decides to reply on LinkedIn with the attachment. The organization's policy is not to block LinkedIn, but Stacy enabled activity controls, which prevents risky activities in otherwise allowed shadow applications. Tony's message is blocked before he even gets the chance to upload a file. Next, Tony decides to use his personal Google Drive account to share the document. Because this is unsanctioned, Tony is coached to use OneDrive, but he is allowed to proceed to Google. Tony tries to upload the file, but because it contains sensitive information, the upload is blocked and Tony gets a pop-up message explaining why. He tries to work around this by using the local Google Drive client. Even though traffic from this client can't be decrypted by Forward Proxy, the McAfee Endpoint DLP agent is able to prevent the action locally and notifies him again. Next, Tony logs into the organization's Office 365 tenant. The plan is to upload the file here and then try using a shared link. When Tony uploads the file to OneDrive, it's deliberately allowed because this is a sanctioned application and a sanctioned account. However, when Tony goes to share the file, this is when it's going to violate policy because the file contains PCI data. Using our Lightning Link technology, McAfee is able to block the request in real time. Tony then tries to use his own personal OneDrive account. He knows he can upload the file to OneDrive, so he figures he can upload using his personal account and then create the shared link. However, because Stacy followed the recommendation to enable tenant restrictions, the login attempt is blocked as an unsanctioned account. After it's all said and done, Stacy has visibility into all of Tony's risky behavior, whether it's web uploads, external file sharing, email attachments, removable media, or personal cloud storage apps. It's all accessible through a fully unified incident manager in the MVISION platform. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more, you can request a demo at McAfee.com.